Hey guys, so big news. I'm officially moving from California to Dubai. New country, new chapter, and honestly, a whole new adventure. I've been super excited about the job opportunity I got, but also, let's be real, I was so stressed about the move. I mean, how do you even pack your entire life and ship it across the world to a place you've never lived in before? I've been searching for a reliable relocation company, and luckily, one of my friends recommended Baxter Shipping, and OMG, I'm so glad they did. I got in touch with them via email. Super responsive, super polite, and honestly, they made me feel so much more relaxed about everything. Baxter offers international shipping, professional packing and unpacking, door-to-door delivery, and even relocation support in Dubai. They've already started guiding me through the whole process. I feel like half my stress is gone just knowing I have a team who actually knows what they're doing. So yeah, boxes are being packed, my flight is soon, and I'll update you guys once I land and get settled in my new home in Dubai. Let's go. Hey everyone, just checking in from my new home in Dubai. Guess what? I made it. And honestly, I couldn't have done it without Baxter Shipping. From start to finish, their team was amazing. They helped me with customs clearance, all the documentation, and once my shipment arrived, they delivered everything right to my door. Not just that, they carefully unpacked all my boxes, set up and assembled all the furniture, installed my curtains, handled minor electricals, even cleaned up all the debris. Like, what? I literally walked into a fully set up home. I didn't have to lift a finger. Seriously, if you're relocating, I highly recommend Baxter Shipping. They go above and beyond. It's not just shipping, it's peace of mind. Can't thank them enough for making this journey feel so smooth. Here's to new adventures. Hey guys, quick update from the car, on the go. So after moving in, I realized I didn't want to unpack everything right away. Some boxes just aren't urgent, you know? So instead of cluttering up my new place, I decided to store them. I just visited Baxter's warehouse storage unit, and I have to say, it's honestly perfect for what I needed. Baxter's warehouse is super secure, climate controlled, and the best part, it's actually really cost effective. I can even access my stuff whenever I want. It just makes everything so much easier and more organized. And now I'm off to do a little shopping. Gotta grab some kitchen stuff and small electronics. I'm still pretty new here in Dubai, so I wasn't really sure where to go. But guess what? The Baxter team actually suggested a few local spots to check out. Like, that's not even part of their job, but they've been so helpful beyond the relocation part. Honestly, I'm just really impressed. They've thought of everything. All right, talk soon. We'll share more updates once I'm back.